Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to make an easy recipe. It's going to be a chocolate peanut butter cookie. And first of all, we're going to melt this chocolate. There's two ways you can do that. You can do it in a microwave or in a double boiler. But most of the time, if I have a choice, I use double boiler because you don't have to worry about it burning that way. So if you're going to use a double boiler, in the bottom pan, just be sure that you don't put too much water. You don't want it touching the bottom of this. You just want it covering it. See, like that. Just almost to it. We'll turn that down a little bit lower than high. We're going to put 8 ounces of almond bark, 8 ounces of milk chocolate chips. That's what I like, the milk chocolate. Now all we have to do is pretty much watch it and stir it every once in a while till it melts, and then you don't have to worry about it burning or anything. And chocolate is really hard to heat without it burning. I don't care if you do it in a microwave, whatever, you gotta watch it close. This way you don't have to watch it quite as much. So we'll leave that and we'll go over here and do our crackers. We're gonna put 48 of these Ritz crackers on the pan. Now we have to have 24 cookies on the bottom, and we're saving another 24 to put on the top. So now we're going to put peanut butter on each one of these. Now all we're going to do is put this one on top and just squeeze it, seeing it squeezes all that peanut butter. Let me check my chocolate now. See how our chocolate is melting? And you don't have to worry about that burning. It'll sit there. You need to stir it once in a while, but you don't do that very often. Anything that I have that's you have to watch real close like that, like pie fillings and things like that, if I can use a double boiler, I use it because that's the best way. We're going to try this, see how it works. All we want to do is coat that. And then we're going to let it drip off real good. We'll see if that works. If this chocolate starts getting hard, you can put it back over the double boiler. Now that our chocolate peanut butter cookies are finished, they look delicious, and I hope you try them. And I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.